Good morning, it's Friday. This week, while we've been thinking about remote learning, we've been thinking about how we can do that respectfully, responsibly, being ready, and today we're going to talk about how we can do it safely. We need to be safe while learning from home. Safe, 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 safe. Look at the circles below. How can we show that we're safe while working from home? How can we show that we're safe while watching videos online? How can we show that we're safe using our devices? So what is safe? What does that look like to us when we're at home doing our work? Well, it says use materials properly. I have a pen. Is that me using it properly if I just sit there and click, 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 click? No, Miss Carl, stop it. No, that's not using it properly, is it? If I take paper and I'm just like, oh, I'm done. Is that using my materials properly? Am I taking care of things? No. Be safe. You don't want to throw paper for a start in case it hits somebody. Do I want to click the pen all the time? No, it might fall apart and break. Oh, not a good idea, Miss Cosma. I need to learn. If you're safe while you're doing your schoolwork, you'll also be following the safety rules. And that goes for wherever you are. I put some pictures down the bottom. And being safe, if you look at the side, just means follow the rules. They're there, even though it feels like it's a pain, they're there to keep us safe. For example, if you ever ride a bike, hopefully, you'll be wearing a helmet because that keeps you safe. If you go in a car, you wear the safety belt, the seat belt that comes across. If you're in school doing work and you're on a computer, you're sitting up nicely, you're spaced apart from others, you have your own keyboard, you're not, no, you're keeping yourself safe in your space and you're keeping the computer safe, whatever it is you're using. And the last little arrow I drew just went to a social distancing because that's everywhere just now. And one of the means is keeping further apart from everybody and making sure, sorry, somebody sent me an email and it came up on my screen and I got distracted. Oh dear, was I being ready? No, I will concentrate better. Sorry. So what we're doing is we're trying to follow the social distancing rules, which means not giving everybody as many hugs as we'd like. I missed that. Standing a little further away. If somebody's in the room with us that we don't know or they're too close, we end up wearing, look at all these, can you see them? A mask to keep us safe and to keep the other people safe. These are just things you can do to keep yourself safe. What about technology? If we want to keep our technology, our phones, our computers, don't want to drop it. I want to keep it safe, especially our usernames and passwords. Don't give them to anybody else. Only give them to the people that you trust, the people that you know. They're the ones that can help you. Don't give it to people you don't know. Keep your username and password to yourself. Only go on class links. That's a really good one. You only go to the sites that your teachers, your school, that they tell you. Don't just go off playing on YouTube during school time and thinking we won't know about it. We'll find out. And here's a big one for me. Keep your food and your drinks, your hot tea with lots of milk, keep it away from your computers, because if this were to spill over your computer, it would not be safe. We definitely don't want that to happen. So take a minute to review how to keep yourself, your schoolwork, and your technology safe. Hopefully this week you've reminded yourself, because I know you know, you've reminded yourself about how to be respectful responsible, ready and safe, not just with your schoolwork, but also with technology while you're working from home. Because it's most important to remember that points make prizes. I heard you all.